Hello, Beanie Baby Besties. How are you today? I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I'm so glad you're here. So first, let's do a trivia question. Which beanie was the first to have a new heart tag for a sports promotion? Oh, no way. We kind of just talked about this a little bit yesterday. Ooh, okay, the answer is not who I thought it was. So make sure you stay to the end to find out the answer. I'm gonna put that right there so that I don't forget to do it before we sign off today. So I'm so glad you're here. I know I already said that, that's okay. We're going to look at more birds. Our choices are exotic birds, waterfowl, or farm birds. Oh my gosh, do you see how cute these are? Look how cute these little guys are. Preschool graduation. Look how cute that is. We're making a craft. It's going to be so good. And if you can guess it in the comments what we're making here, leave me a note. What do you think we're making with these guys? Brains. You're going to see a reel for that, so make sure you follow that so you don't miss it. Okay, you know what? I decided we're going to go with the waterfowl because these guys are about to fall off the edge here. You don't want that for them. No. So let's first make a pile over here. Okay, let's go. Let's do the most common one I see in almost everybody's pictures. Like if somebody sends me a picture and says, do I have anything worth anything? Can you take a look at my Beanie Babies? These guys are always in it. Oh, you're not one of them. Can you see these guys pretty good? Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. And who is this, you ask? This is Lucy. Lucy Goosey. Lucy's birthday is March 29th, 1998.
A tale has been told of a goose that laid gold, but try as she might, Lucy's eggs are just white.
Lucy's eggs are just white. That's okay. 6 of those. It looks like they are all 5th generation from the hang tags. I'm seeing this means 5th generation, yellow star, and the beanie has an eye that looks like that. Focus. And this one does not have a swing tag, so you are out of here. That just means I might use it for a craft now. I'm not really gonna throw it away or anything. So we have 5 of those. Well, now where am I supposed to put them? Sometimes your collections just get out of control. All right, besties, I have been dying to look and see who this guy is. This little bird is so incredibly soft. Oh yes, that's good. Okay, what generation are you? This guy's name is Dinky. Take a look at that hang tag generation. Sparkle, sparkle. A reference sheet right here. Let me look real quick. This one looks like 9th generation. Wait, what is the difference between 8th and 9th? The difference is the 8th generation has the beanie above the star and baby below the star. Okay, so this guy's 8th generation. It says beanie baby. 9th generation says beanie babies. Okay, we're looking right here. 9th generation, beanie on top and babies underneath. That's the difference between the 8th and the 9th generation. So we have 2 of these guys, Dinky. They're both the 8th generation. And just take a look at that variegated fur, right? It's like blue, but can you see the brilliant colors here? And like the glittery way his legs look from this fabric. I don't really think my camera is showing this guy justice. You just have to see it in person. You're just gonna need one of your own. You need a Dinky for your collection. Dinky. Dinky's birthday is September 25th, 2000.
All right, I know, I'm a little small, but what's so great about being tall? Soon I'll grow up and you will see just how beautiful I will be.
I believe it, Dinky. You are beautiful. And so are you, bestie. Next up, let's stick with the geese theme here. I believe this is probably a goose. I don't know. It's Honks. It's Honks. And Honks is a 5th generation. I'm kind of surprised. Honestly, I thought this was going to be newer than 5th generation. And we have 3. Can you see them real good? I'll show you this way and that way. So cute. Honks' birthday is March 11th, 1999.
Honks the goose likes to fly away. South for winter he will stay. When spring comes back, north he will fly and swim in ponds and lakes nearby.
Honks. I can just hear you. Honk, 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 honk. Okay. That's the next goose. Be gone. Fly away. Oh, this is a pretty, pretty girl. This is Gracie. Both of ours are 4th generation Gracies. Oh, she's just so gorgeous. Gracie's birthday is 6/17/96.
As a duckling, she was confused. Birds on the lake were quite amused, poking fun until she would cry. Now the most beautiful swan at tie.
Lesson for all of our bullies, huh? Just don't make fun of someone. Just don't. Grow up to be beautiful swans. Look at these gorgeous, gorgeous duckies. Love them. Swans and these ducks. These are 5th generations. You probably have one of these in your common collection as well. But there is a Beanie Baby that's really holding its value, and it is a wingless Quackers. So this is Quackers, and if you had him in an earlier generation before the yellow star and without wings, you're in the money. Money, 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 money.
Quackers. There is a duck by the name of Quackers. Every night he eats animal crackers. He swims in a lake that's clear and blue, but he'll come to the shore to be with you. Quack, quack.
Quackers. Love it. And moving right along. Oh, I hope you have one of these in your collection. This is a Pinky. Pinky. Pinky's a flamingo, you see. Pinky, you're a really great dancer. This Pinky has a pretty messed up tag. It's all kinds of bent up. And it's a shame. It's a 4th generation, but I just might craft with this one. I think this tag might be coming off. I'd rather see no tag than a bent up one. Maybe it's an unpopular opinion, but that's okay. I've got like 1,000 Beanie Babies. I don't have to preserve all of them, okay? And neither do you if you're going through your parents' collection or whatever. Okay, back to the Flamingo. Pinky. Date of birth, 2/13/95.
Pinky loves the Everglades. From the hottest pink she's made, with floppy legs and a big orange beak, she's the beanie that you seek.
Yes, you are. Mind control. I seek the Pinky. Pinky loves the Everglades. From the hottest pink she's made. You are hot, hot pink. Okay. Do you want to freak out, Beanie Baby besties, while I cut off this tag? I'm looking around for scissors. Like I thought I had someone in arm's reach that I could just grab it. I have wire cutters. This will work just fine. Are you ready? Are you going to freak out? Don't freak out on me. Don't freak out. You don't have to freak out. We have 10 million. It's okay. It's okay. Ooh. It's done. It's done. We're okay. And we made it, and we're okay. And Pinky's okay. She's like, oh, thank you for taking that off. I feel so much prettier now that I don't have a rotten tag on, a dirty tag. You're welcome, Pinky. I love you. Okay, well, I'm not going to put you back with the rest of the collection now. You have to say goodbye to your friends. Bye, friend. You're going to have an awesome new life. I have lots in store for you. Okay, sorry, Pinky. You can be friends with these guys, okay? This is Stilts. Hi, Pinky. I'm Mr. Stilts, and this is my family. This is the Stilts family. Hi, Pinky. You can hang out with us now, okay? Okay, bye. Thanks. Okay, bye, Pinky. You're going to be okay. This is Stilts, and this Beanie Baby is a 5th generation. Geez, how many birds did they make in the 5th generation? They're so cute. They're so... Whoa, you are extra soft. You must have been the one in the baggie. They're so nice and protected, but you know what? After a long time, this plastic feels weird on the outside. I don't like it. But you feel like you're brand new. Brand new. Straight from China. Stilts. Let's find out Stilts' poem. Okay. Oh, good Stilts. Oh, good Stilts. Okay, you do. Okay. Stilts' birthday is June 16th, 1998.
Flying high over mountains and streams, fulfilling wishes, hopes, and dreams, the stork brings parents bundles of joy, the greatest gift, a girl or boy.
This is the stork that brings the babies. Bye-bye. I don't want any more babies, not even Beanie Babies. We don't need any more. We have enough, thanks. Okay, bye. Go hang out with Pinky. Next, the last one. No, it's not. I forgot about you guys. How'd you let me forget about you? Why weren't you honking over there and quacking for me? Okay, these guys are all 5th generation. Their name's Jake. This is Jake, and this is Jake, and this is Jake. Jake from State Farm. You're so funny. I think the camera's on this side today. I know, I can't get used to it either. Okay, Jake's birthday is April 16th, 1997.
Jake the Drake likes to splash in a puddle. Take him home and give him a cuddle. Quack, 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 he will say. He's so glad you're here to play.
Jake, you're so fun. Okay, I got some other friends for you to go play with. They're over there. I missed. I knew it would happen eventually. It's okay. I'll pick him up in a minute. He'll be okay. He's not a real baby. Okay, here we have a 4th and a 5th generation, and I would love to show them to you side by side. They look so super similar. The only difference is that I really can't tell if that focused or not. If not, sorry. You can find charts online. Beanie Baby Original. Oh, here, okay, so here's another difference between 4th and 5th generation. And honestly, it doesn't really matter because, like, the prices according to, in everything I found, it doesn't matter if it is a 4th or 5th generation in value. And also, we thought it was going to matter back in the 90s if it was PVC pellets or PE pellets. And I have one of each here. That's something that it says on this tag, on the Tush tag. So some Beanie Baby for beginners there. PE pellets, PVC pellets, 4th generation, 5th generation. It really doesn't matter in values anymore. Not like we thought it was going to in the 90s, because we were definitely told that it was going to make a big difference. And I'm pretty sure that it made a big difference in the prices that we were buying back then. Not from like Hallmark, but from at conventions and stuff. Okay. So Scoop here, the pelican, super cute, right? Scoop's birthday is July 1st, 1996.
All day long he scoops up fish. To fill his bill is his wish. Diving fast and diving low, hoping those fish are very slow.
And in a different font on the other tag, it says the same thing on this one.
All day long he scoops up fish. To fill his bill is his wish. Diving fast and diving low, hoping those fish are very slow.
Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoops up the fish. Okay, so this is the last one. Hi, Spencer. Spencer's here to say hi. Hi, Spencer. Do you want to come on camera? Just your hand? Okay. Okay. This cutie patootie I just got pretty fairly recently, like 2020. And she is gorgeous. She's so beautiful. She's got some chin hairs, actually.
But it's the leg.
Okay, but right now we're talking about Odette. This is Odette. She's so pretty.
When I was born, I was a duckling so small. Now I'm a swan, majestic and tall. My birthday is January 27th.
Oh, that's interesting. It doesn't have a year on it. Very interesting, I think. That's the end of the waterfowl. I hope that you have stayed through this very long video. I know, and look at all those birds. Oh, I didn't count them again.
You've been filming this for like 20 minutes. I finished the entire movie.
23 minutes.
23 minutes?
Okay, here was the trivia, just to remind you again. Which beanie was the first to have a new heart tag for a sports promotion? And the answer is, drum roll please.
Danny DeVito? I just guessed something random.
Daisy the cow!
Man.
Daisy the cow was the first Beanie Baby to have a heart tag sports promotion. Daisy the cow.
Okay, can you edit out that part of me saying Danny DeVito?
Yes, I will. So glad to have you here. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, please like, subscribe, follow, share, and be kind.
Don't hate us.
Love yins.
What?